Hello everyone and good morning. This is our day 2 for our what we can say cloud computing and Linux basic session. Yesterday we discussed a lot about who we are, who I am, what all things, right? But and yesterday we have discussed a lot of things related to cloud computing as well, theoretical part, as well as we created one virtual machine as well in the last class. Today we will do the continuation of that as well as today I will show you the big project, how exactly with the help of cloud computing or with the help of cloud provider, what all benefits and how we can implement in the real time as well. And today we will start with the practical primarily, and then we will go into the Linux session and we will learn the Linux as well. Okay, this is the today's agenda. Just I want to check how many are the new students here who haven't attended the yesterday session. Raise your hand please or talk with me. Okay, Basu is telling 1, Aditya 2, Kashyap, okay, only 2, 3. Okay, 3 are the new students, rest everyone is old student. I agree. Okay, what I can do for the 2 students or 3 students, what I can give you the recording links, okay, so that you can have a look of the yesterday class. That will be helpful. Okay, I am giving the recording. Here it is. Guys, check this. Okay, here is the recording which I already provided, and I will show you where exactly you can find it. You can go to my YouTube channel also. Okay, and in my YouTube channel, yeah, here is that weekend workshop cloud computing 13 hours ago. Yesterday night, I have uploaded here. So you can take it directly from here, or I already ping you the link into the chat. You can do whatever you like. Okay, this is the yesterday's session. Cool. And here is the link. Please save it, guys. And if you want to share with your friends, you can share that freely. You can share that. Okay, it's not a big deal. Cool. Yeah. Yep. This is our poster, what I'm publishing, and this is the free weekend workshop. Yes, we are discussing the cloud computing as well as Linux 2-day session. And yep, if you have any question you want to talk with me on the WhatsApp, here is the number. You can talk with me anytime. Cool. And this is the big program because this cloud computing and Linux is the part of one of the big program, DevOps as well as AWS program. So if you are interested to join this program, where the complete detail of this program is also available in our website, you can go to clouddevopshub.com. And if you will see here, here's the registration link, which we are going to start on 12th of December. If you want to register, you can click on this register link, and here the Zoom link will be provided. All the recording, all the meetings are available. You can put your name information and just register, and you will get a details over the mail to you. Okay. Secondly, if you want to see where is the syllabus, what all things we are going to learn, here is the details. Why the image is not coming? Image will come, no need to worry. Yeah, this is the program which we are going to start on 12th of December. And here is the complete syllabus detail. You can click on this complete syllabus. What all things we are going to discuss on which day and how much things we have covered up. I will make it green. Okay, yesterday we cover up something, right? Let's make the things green. Course introduction I already given. Okay, my introduction, learning path, training overview, roadmap. Okay, where is the roadmap? Here is the roadmap which I'm talking about it. What we have to learn if you want to become a DevOps engineer, what all things you have to learn. You have to follow the process, and you have to follow what all things is very important to learn it, because DevOps is never ending journey, and there is no end for any of the tool. If you will see, there is no end for the Linux, there is no end for the AWS, because AWS every month the new 2 or 3 services are coming. Okay, if you will learn all the 200 services, the new service will come. Okay, so it's a never ending. And what all things we have to learn it? Yes, that all things I already put into the my course, that these are the top 10 or 20 services you must have to be aware to become a DevOps engineer. CI/CD, Jenkins, Git, because this is the starting of the DevOps tool. The DevOps means code management will happen with the Git, and the automation of the builds will get created with the help of Jenkins. Docker and Kubernetes. Today, in the today's session, I am going to use the Docker as well, and you will see the benefit of using the Docker and how with the help of Docker, we can make the things very easy, or what is the benefit you will see into the today's session as well. Okay, and Ansible, Terraform for the complete automation. If you want to perform the activity on 100 plus servers, yes, Ansible is the place. Ansible is a tool, you can use it and you can perform the activity in 100 plus servers. Now the question will come, sir, in the till now in the module 6 we have learned 5-7 tools already, and how to automate all the 5 to 7 tools. Then Terraform is a tool. With the help of Terraform you can develop all this tool with the help of Terraform. And with the help of Terraform, in today's in the practical number 31 or my project number 3, you will see 40 plus AWS resources I will create with the help of Terraform. Okay, 40 plus AWS resources means I am going to use 40 services of AWS and I will create a project on that. Biggest project, guys. You don't have to worry. If anyone want to see the recording of that, just ping me on the WhatsApp with your email address. I will give you that. Okay, you can have a look. As well as after that, after we are doing the 3 projects, one project is primarily on the CI/CD, very basic, very starting, the traditional approach, which most of the companies are using. Second, the second project is completely e-commerce website, which we will develop with Java, Python, Go, and .NET, 3 or 4 different languages. And we are going to develop the things. Plus, we are going to do the deployment on the Kubernetes cluster live. I will give you the code also for that. And third, as I told, 40 plus AWS services with the help of Terraform, we are going to develop. Someone is raising the hand. Dhavesh. Yes, go ahead. What's your question? No? Okay, cool. Dhavesh, then you can raise your hand down. Okay. Someone, Saurabh is asking, Saurabh, the batch which we are going to start, it's a regular batch, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. IST. Okay, because regular batch, we feel that more interaction will be there and you will learn a lot in completely 2.5 months. Okay, if it's a weekend batch, it will go for 4 months or 3 months, and 5 days the student will not practice. Sometimes I feel that. Okay, some whoever is an employee, that all things will be there. Yes, I agree with that. Okay, no need to worry. I have to go as we have to start our things. Yep, yesterday we have already started the cloud computing. Can anyone give me the very basic answer? What exactly is the cloud? Very simple answer I need. My yesterday students, please give me the answer. Anyone want to give the answer? What is cloud? Because we have already seen yesterday.
Yeah, hi. Cloud is something where we can use the resources which are not us.
Okay, correct. Means someone else resource, we can use it, right? With the help of internet.
With the help of internet.
Correct. Yes, that is cloud. Okay. Cloud basically is a server or virtual machine or machine, server, database, resource, service, anything which we are accessing with the help of internet, someone else machine with the help of internet, that is a cloud. That technology is known as cloud computing. Okay, and primarily cloud computing we are able to achieve because these are the providers into the market, and we are going to use their services in terms of whatever they have created. Means I was telling about AWS has 200 plus services. Yes, whatever the service they have are created, and we can use it as per the pay model, that is known as cloud computing. Okay, in simple, yep, if you will take an example, this is a Google Cloud homepage. In the homepage, if you will see here, yes, lots of different services are there. Whatever we would like to use it, if we are going to use it any of the service, that we can say we are using the cloud computing technology and we are using it. Okay, now the question will come, sir, which service, which is the most popular service we are using it most of the time in any of the cloud? I'm just showing, yesterday I showed the AWS cloud, today I'm showing the Google Cloud. Okay, here if you will see, the most popular service is the virtual machine, which is used by every cloud provider. From the every cloud provider, most usable service is virtual machine. How to create a virtual machine? You have to log in into your Google Cloud account. I will teach you how to create an account. Google is providing a $300 free credit to us to use it for the learning purpose. Okay, and yes, I'm also a part of that. I'm also using the free account. You don't have to worry. And after creating the account, you have to come into 3 dots. Please mute, Raja, please mute. We will talk. The very first service or very primary service, that is a virtual machine. Okay, I'm clicking on this virtual machine and you will be into the virtual machine or compute instance place. Okay, yesterday I given the answer in AWS. What is compute? Can anyone repeat it? What do you mean by compute? What do you mean by compute? Yesterday I given that answer already. No one. EC2. Yeah, I took the example for EC2, but what do you mean by compute? Which has a CPU and memory, that is known as compute. Okay, guys, please remember. Okay, someone has given the answer EC2. Guys, have you know what is the full form of EC2?
Elastic compute.
Correct, elastic compute. Compute. The second word is compute, right? Second keyword is compute, and we have to know the meaning of compute also. And see, if you will say, I know EC2 and you don't know the meaning of compute, then it's very bad. Okay. So compute means a CPU and memory. Please keep it remember. It's very simple thing. In the interview, you can impress them with this simple answer. Okay. Compute is CPU and memory. Yesterday, I told that wherever the compute keyword is coming means that resource required a CPU and memory. Okay, keep it remember. Cool. Yeah, and we are going to use their services. Yesterday I showed most of the things with the AWS. Today I will going to show some of the things with the Google Cloud, because my training is a hybrid cloud training. I will not tell you that if you learn AWS, that's more than enough. If you learn any of the if you know the driving from the multiple cars, you can drive any of the car, right? And these are the clouds. If you know the basics, or if you know the actual thing, how the things works, you can use that technology in any of the cloud. Little bit keywords are different, but at the end it's very same. The reason behind it, let me take an example. Everyone is using the laptop. Guys, you are agree with my point? Everyone is using laptop. We all are using a laptop. Yes or no? Laptop or desktop?
Yes.
Right? And everyone has a laptop of different company. Mine is Lenovo. What about you? Someone is a MacBook. Okay. What about others?
Dell. Mine is
Dell.
Dell.
Okay, Dell. Okay. What about others?
Sony.
Sony. Okay. HP. Okay. Means 4-5 different laptop, what we can say, companies, we saw it. I agree. Okay. Everyone is using the Windows 10 or Windows 11, right? If you know how to use Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use any of the laptop. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
If we know how to use Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use any of the laptop, right? Same thing. If you know how to use a virtual machine, you can go to any of the provider and use it. If you know how to create a Kubernetes cluster, you can go to any of the cloud provider and you can use it. Same thing. Windows is always same. Linux is always same. Backend of every server is a Linux. Most of the time, it's a Linux. So we don't have to worry, right? Yesterday, if I created something into AWS, today I will use the Google Cloud, so that you will see there is no difference at all. Okay, chalo, cool. And yesterday we talked about the 3 different clouds: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Today I want to move into the hybrid cloud primarily. Okay, chalo. And this is the theory. And guys, if you don't have this PPT, you can come to the classroom and you can get it. Where is the link for? You guys need this PPT?
Yes.
I'm giving this classroom. Okay, this is the classroom which I have created it. You can come into this classroom. I'm giving you the link. I given you the link into the chat, or you can go to the classroom.google.com. Okay, this is a Google product for the classroom, which I was using into my real-time training as well. And I'm providing, this is the class code J5J3MQ7. If you don't have this link directly, you can go into this place and you can see it. As soon as you will click on that, guys, can anyone please open it so that I will get your name here, that the student has been came into this classroom. From this group, anyone? Not yet? Yes, please click on that link I given already to you.
It's asking something code.
Okay, its code is asking. Let me give you the code. No worries. This is the code. Okay, or let me give you the invitation link. Okay, this is the invitation link. You can click on this invitation link. You are able to? Not yet. No one has came into this place at this point. Yep. Sainath, Snail, Bhushan, already three students came onto this group. Okay. I will be your teacher. You are my student. Okay. And if you will see here in the streaming, there is already a link. I already given a link for all the PPT. As soon as you will click on this link, you will be redirected. And this is the link where all the PPTs will be available. Make sense? Okay. Simple. Are yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, cool. And yeah, you can see all these PPTs also. Okay. Yep. And just read this theory as well. It will be good for your interview or for more deep knowledge. Okay. In my PPTs, little bit theory will also be there. And after this, we saw some service models also. I given the example for all the service model. Guys, can you please let me know what is software as a service? What is SaaS? Any example? Simple example I need.
Gmail,
Gmail, I agree.
Google Drive.
Google Drive. I can say Google Drive is a pass. Okay.
Yes.
Because I have
Platform
used
is
my
a-
own data, right? If you take example, Google Drive or Google Docs, this is the platform I'm taking from them, but these slides are my slides. Okay. That's why I'm taking as a platform as a service. Okay. The third example is a infrastructure as a service. Yep. What is the example? Any example, live example for IaaS? Virtual machine. Okay. In the virtual machine, what exactly it is? If we'll talk about here I'm creating a virtual machine where in this virtual machine, hardware will be there, plus operating system also I'm taking with them, because I'm not bringing my own operating system. I'm taking the operating system also from them. Means they are only providing the infrastructure, and I have a flexibility. Whatever I want, I can choose it and I can create it. Okay. So in some couple of minutes, I'm going to create a virtual machine also, and I will teach how to create a virtual machine also here. Okay. Here, this we have already seen it. Cloud computing also we seen it. Cloud computing is possible because of the technology virtualization. Cloud computing is happening, is possible because virtualization is happening. Now the question is, what is virtualization? Accessing someone's hardware virtually is known as virtualization. We are going to create a virtual machine. Okay. Means we are technically using someone else's machine. It's a virtual. Okay. With the help of internet, we are accessing someone else's machine or someone else's computer. That's why we are calling as a virtual machine. Agree with my point? What is virtualization? Cloud computing is possible because of the technology virtualization. What is virtualization? We are accessing someone else's hardware virtually. That's why I'm calling as a virtualization. And the technical term of that computer, which is accessible, which is someone else and we are accessing it, that is known as virtual machine. Simple answers, guys. Okay, agree with my point? Yes, no? Nothing will be simpler than this thing. Okay.
Yes, yes, agree.
Okay, cool. Yep. If any question, please let me know. Okay. I feel that it's very simple. No need to worry. Okay. Chalo. Let's, yesterday we have discussed that we would like to create a one website like my website. Okay. My website is cloud computing clouddevops.com. I would like to create this type of website. Okay. With your help. And I don't have much budget and I don't have much time also, but I want to create it. Okay. And this time I'm going to use the technology. Earlier, yesterday, we are talking about some, what we can say, some old approach, traditional approach. Okay. In the traditional approach, what exactly it is? Create a team. Okay. Multiple teams. Okay. Plus one thing. Second, if you will create a teams, at least 2 lakhs budget will be required, because none of the technology person will work free of cost. No. Okay. Otherwise, you have to outsource the thing. Second, and you need a resource, hardware. Okay, there are multiple hardwares will be required and you have to pay the rent for that. Or if you don't want to pay the rent, you have to pay the initial amount and you have to purchase it. If you will go for the initial amount, it will be around 10 lakhs, right? And guys, how much is the duration we are thinking yesterday to achieve any of the website creation?
2 to 3 weeks.
Chalo, let's go to 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. But if I will tell you, we don't have 2, 3 weeks also. Okay. We want to do it today, right away. It's 10:28 right now. And I want to get it complete by 10:30 within 10 minutes. Chalo, let's see how we can do it. Okay. We will discuss more theory also. So it may be a little bit late, but that is possible very easily. Okay. Before going into this, I would like to give all these steps to you and I want to discuss all these steps to you. So I'm writing these steps here. Okay. I will give you all these points in the chat also. Okay. Because commands will come, I will give it to you. If you will see here, very first step I'm telling, go to any of the cloud provider, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, or any cloud provider, whatever you want. Why I'm telling you? Because we need a virtual machine and virtual machine is provided by every provider. Agree with my point? Step 1 and step 2. Everyone, right? Go to any of the cloud provider and create a virtual machine. Step 1, step 2. Step 3, install a Docker. Docker is one of the DevOps tool. Okay. Download the code, means developer will write the code. Either it will be available into the GitHub or either some exe file or some zip file will be there. Go to internet and find any of the website. Okay. Download the website means download the code. I don't know the coding. Let assume you also don't know the coding. So you can go to internet, go to any of the GitHub where any of the website code will be there. 90% code will be always same. You just have to change it. Okay. With your requirements. Okay. You are okay with step 1, 2, 3, 4 till now? Guys, everyone, please, I need your attention here. Dipti, Sai, Yashwant. Okay, cool. And step 4, till step 4, we are good. Then fifth step is run the Nginx container with downloaded website. Run the Nginx. What is Nginx? Guys, anyone? What is Nginx? Unmute and give me the answer. What is Nginx? No one knows. Okay, nobody's. I will show. It's my responsibility. Nginx. What is Nginx? If you don't know anything, no worries. Go to the Google. Behind me also, go to the Google and give me the answers. Yep, someone is already giving the answer. Jitendra is telling. Jitendra, unmute. If you know the right answer, short answer, unmute and speak it. Okay, everyone. Nginx is a web server. A lot of students are telling Nginx is a web server. Yes, here it's written. If you don't know any of the answer, go to the Google, search it, read the very first line. Nginx is a web server. Now the question is, what is web server? Guys, give me the answer. Unmute and give me the answer. What is web server? Fast. What is web server? Where the website will work, where the website will run. Agree? Yes or no? Okay, where we will get the web response. Correct. Run the Nginx, run a software, which is a web server where my website will run into a container because I'm using a Docker technology. So it will be a container with the downloaded website or with the code. Okay. Step 5 is okay. And then step 6 is go to the IP address, external IP address, and verify your website is up and running or not. Okay. Guys, any question in this step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Unmute and ask with me. Any question? At least say no. Unmute and say no if no question. Guys, chat is not very good. Okay, I want an interaction. Unmute and talk with me, please. I don't like this.
Yeah, everything is clear.
Okay, all clear? All 6 steps, right?
Yeah.
Any confusion here at this point, you can ask with me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm considering all good. Okay, chalo. If all 6 theory steps are clear, let's come to the practical. Okay, here is the practical lines are there. I'm just copying this, all 6 lines, and I'm putting into my notepad. This is the theory and this is the practical. Create a website with the DevOps tool. Go to any of the cloud provider, GCP, AWS, Azure. I'm going to the Google Cloud and create a virtual machine. Okay, chalo. Let me do step 1 and step 2. I'm going to the Google Cloud. Okay, this is my cloud. Okay, and I'm already into the virtual machine instance. I'm clicking on the create instance here. Okay. Can anyone unmute and let me know your name, please? I will create a virtual machine of your name. Please take
Raja?
details virtually. Raja. Raja. Okay. What is the date? 4 December. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Raja 4 December is my virtual machine name. I'm creating this virtual machine into the US region. Okay. If you want to change, you can change it anytime. Not a big deal. Okay. I'm taking a 2 CPU and 4 GB memory. Okay. If you want to change, you can change as per your requirement. Okay. Third is, which is the most popular operating system? Yes. Can anyone give me the answer? Most popular operating system.
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu. Yes, I agree. Ubuntu is the most popular operating system, which we will see today in our Linux class also. Okay. And I'm choosing the Ubuntu operating flavor. Okay. And the version is 18.4 LTS. What is LTS? What is LTS? Go and Google and check. Give me the answer, please. Be fast. LTS means long-term support. This version 18.4 will be a long-term available with Ubuntu. Means at least 2 to 3 years. If you will use this version, 2 to 3 years, they will provide you the support. In the production, yes, we have to choose the version which has a long-term support. Okay. And I'm taking a 10 GB size. What is this 10 GB size? A disk of
Hard
my operating system is 10 GB. If you want to increase, guys, can you give me any number? I will change it to whatever you want. How much?
30.
30. Okay. I'm choosing the 30 number. Okay. 30 GB. And I'm just click on select. I choose the Raja is my machine name. 30 GB is the size. License is free because it's a Ubuntu flavor. Okay. And I'm allowing the traffic because I want to create a website. I allow the traffic means anyone can come to this website and can check it. Okay. If I will not allow, my website will be running in the virtual machine, but it will not be exposed to the internet. Okay. Means internally I can use it. At this point, I don't know where you are, right? Someone will be into the US, India, or anywhere, right? So I'm externally allowing it. I'm just clicking on the create, and within some couple of seconds, my virtual machine will be ready. Okay. Simplest how to create a virtual machine. Raja 4 December will be ready in some couple of seconds. Okay. Means I can consider that step 1 and step 2 is done. Third step is install Docker. Okay. Can anyone give me the answer? What is Docker? Simple answer I need. Half liner or one liner answer.
Container.
With the help of Docker, I can create a container. I can download the image and I can create a container, right?
Yes.
DOWNLOAD download images and create container. Okay. Yes, this is the Docker. Simple answer. Okay. What is this command? Any Linux person or anyone knows what is sudo -i?
Sudo -i to go to this root.
Yep, you will become a root user.
That means an administrator.
Yes, you will because you need installation. You want to do the installation, so you have to be a root user. Correct. Second, what is apt get update command? Why I'm
It will download the. I mean, like it will update the dependencies.
it will update all the packages
Right.
which has been, because I created the virtual machine and I don't know how old it is, right? So all the packages, as a good practice, as a best practice, I would like to update my machine because vulnerability security should be updated into all the production environment. Okay, so I will run this command. The next command is apt install. I'm using apt because it's a Ubuntu flavor. So apt, I'm using the keyword install. It has to be installed. And what is to be installed? The Docker software. So docker.io, I'm using it. And with the fourth command, docker-v, I will check the version which Docker has been installed in my machine. Okay. So chalo, let's see. My machine is ready. Yes, my machine is ready. With the help of SSH, I'm clicking on this SSH keyword and I will be inside the machine. Okay, very simple, guys. In Google Cloud, it's very simple. Okay, so I click on this SSH. What do you mean by SSH? Can anyone give me the answer?
Secure connection.
Secure connection. Yes, securely I am going inside the virtual machine. Okay, very first time I'm using this machine, so it take time and I am inside a machine. Okay, I'm running the command sudo -i. My machine name is Raja and I am Vikas. I'm inside it. I'm clicking sudo -i. So From Vikas user, it has been upgraded to the sudo user, okay, to the root user, okay, with the help of sudo -i command. Okay, let me go here. Before installing, let me check is Docker is available or not. Okay, I am running this docker -v command and checking is Docker is available. No, Docker is not available. He is giving the command itself apt install docker.io and Docker will get installed. That's the beauty of Linux. That's why people love Linux and Linux is the most popular. Okay, if you don't have, it will give the command, run this command and it will get installed. But I want to follow the best practice. Okay, so what, first I will update my machine, apt get update. Okay, okay, it will take some couple of seconds. All the packages will get upgraded into this. And guys, that is known as patching activity. Okay, in your company, if you saw that we are doing the patching, means they are upgrading all the package. Okay, cool. My package has been updated, and with the help of this command apt install docker.io, I am running this. I'm pressing enter. It will take, it is asking, it will take 333 MB of the size. I'm saying yes. Okay, and I'm pressing enter. It will take some couple of seconds and Docker will be installed in my machine. 33%. And yes, is the screen is visible, right? The size is okay, or can I make the little bit more?
This is enough. It looks better.
Okay, cool. 70%, 80%, 90%, 97%. And then yes, Docker has been installed. Guys, can you help me out how to check it? What is the version of Docker? How to verify that Docker is installed or not? We can run this command docker -v and we will get to know Docker is running or not. I'm just changing the size. That's why it's happened like this. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah. Okay. Sudo -i, and you can see it docker -v. And at this point, Docker version 20.10 has been installed in my machine. Okay. I'm just copying this. I'm putting it here. This is done. Guys, I have done with the step 1, 2, and 3. All good? Digestible till now?
Yes.
Others people, others, Jashwant, Sai, Ravi,
Yes.
all good? Step 3 till step 3, digestible. Okay, cool. Chalo. Now, download the website. Okay, you can go to any internet, or you can download the website, or you can take the help from your developers and get the code ready. Okay, because we can't write the code in couple of minutes, right? We need a code. So what I'm going to the internet. Okay, here there is a website, freecss.com, means free HTML websites available. Okay, you can click on this link and let me know, guys, which website you want to create it. The first is Consult, second is Safecam, Kia, Viking, Kapling, Casina, Mio, Adventure, or anything. Or if you don't want, I can go to the next page also.
Viking.
I need some more word.
Adventure.
Adventure, where is adventure? Please help me out. Yeah, adventure. This is the adventure, right? A world. Okay. Guys, I need one more word. Be fast. At least 3 will be make the decision.
Adventure.
Okay.
Yes, adventure.
Okay, chalo. Adventure. This is the one. Okay. This is the adventure website, and it will look like this black screen, and adventure will look like this. Okay. Chalo. Before that, I will give you my IP address. This is my external IP address of the machine, 35.225.23.66. Let me check anything is working here. No, nothing is working. Okay, let me go to the incognito window. Let me check it. Anything is working? No, nothing is working. Okay, so I'm giving this link into the chat. Guys, you can also check it. Anything is working at this point? It's not working. Nothing is there, right? Yes or no? Nothing is working. For me also not working. For you also not working. Chalo. You are talking about adventure. I'm clicking on the download option. I'm clicking right click and save link address. I just click on the save link address. I'm going into my machine. Okay. With the help of wget command, I want to download it. Wget command. I want to download the complete package. Okay. I'm typing the link here and I'm pressing enter. Okay. 22, 30 and all 100% has been downloaded. With the help of ls command, you can see aworld.zip file has been downloaded, and the file name is also aworld. Yes, I have downloaded this. Okay, aworld I have downloaded. Now the question is, zip. Okay, it's a zip file. Guys, in Windows, if I want to unzip it, what is the option? How to unzip it? Let assume I downloaded this
The
into
RAR
this.
folder.
I need a software to unzip it, right?
Yes.
I need a software. So
Yes.
here also in the Linux also same concept. Okay. Unzip is a command unzip. Okay, unzip. What is you want to unzip it? A.world. Yes, I'm pressing enter. And it is telling unzip is not available in your machine. Install unzip. If I will run this command apt install unzip, and unzip will get installed in my machine, like WinRAR, 7-zip, whatever you want. Unzip is a software which I used it. Type ls, and the command is the file is here. Unzip unzip command. I want to extract this file. I'm pressing enter. And at this point, it has been extracted. I'm typing ls, and the HTML has been written here. Means it has been extracted into the HTML form. Okay, till now? Means
Yes.
I unzip the file as well. This is done from my side. I downloaded the file with the help of wget command, and with the help of apt install unzip, I did it. And with the help of unzip a.world.zip. Okay, I run this command and it has been extracted to me, and done. I get a HTML code in my machine. Okay, now the step 5 is telling with the help of Docker, what I get it, I get the HTML. I put it this in place of this keyword, I'm putting the HTML. Okay. And this is the command. With the help of Docker, I will run the website on port 80. What is port 80? Port 80 is primarily for any of the external web server website. If any of the website is running, it should run primarily on port 80. Okay. And this is, I have connected, I'm connecting some external website also into the nginx. That's why I'm writing this command. I will explain you briefly this command into the Docker class. Okay, not now, because we have to learn the Docker only. Okay, but I'm taking the help from the Docker. I'm running the nginx with HTML. Okay, so I'm going here and I'm running this command. I'm pressing enter. Okay, Docker was not available. It is downloading, it is doing the activity. Guys, check it is working or not at this point. Till now it was not working, right? As soon as I done, can I refresh this page?
Yes. Now it's working.
Is your adventure website is working? Everyone?
I can see the website.
Everyone?
Yes, it's working.
It's working? Yes, the website is up and running with the help of virtual machine, with the help of Docker, with the help of 4 commands. That's it. And your website is ready. Yeah, it's completely, contact us page is coming, blog page is coming, service page is coming, about is coming. Yeah, everything is coming. Now, if you are a little bit developer, what you can do, you can just open the HTML code, change, mute yourself, please, Raja Manas. If you are a developer, little bit know the coding of HTML, you can change the thing as per your requirement and you can use this theme. And most of the CSS developer or HTML developer doing the same thing. Yes or no? Guys, is that simple? I don't need this 2-3 weeks time. I don't need a rupee. Virtual machine is free of cost available for us. Guys, okay? All good? Guys, everyone, Gautam, Karthik, all done. Yep. Guys, any question in this? Go ahead and go, feel free and ask with me. And I'm giving you all these steps into the chat to you guys. You can also do the same activity if you want. Not now, after the sessions. Okay. I will give you the recording also. You can have a look and you can do the same thing. Copy these steps in your note. All okay? If you missed it also, I will give you the classroom into the classroom as well. Yes, you can use any of the web server, but Nginx is the most popular web server available at this point. So I will encourage you to use the Nginx. You can use anything, Apache, Tomcat, whatever you want. Guys, okay till now? 11 student has registered till now. Cool, good. How many students are using Windows 11 at this point? Can you share me the classroom link again? Okay, I will give you. Here is the invitation link, copy class invite. Okay, and I put into the chat again. Okay. You can see here J5J3MQ7 is a code. If anyone is asking the code. Okay. All good? Guys, at least talk with me, please. Have you understood or not? Unmute and talk with me, please.
Yeah, understood.
What about others? Lee, Sai, Shef, Suraj, Yashwant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
It's clear.
Understood, sir.
Cool. That's the beauty of DevOps tool and the cloud. That's why we are calling it a combination, cloud and DevOps. That's why I've taken my website name as a cloud and DevOps. Okay, because without cloud, you cannot achieve. Without DevOps tool, you cannot achieve. DevOps tool means the Docker is a DevOps tool and virtual machine is from the cloud. Virtual machine and this tool we can achieve lot of things. Okay, chalo, second practical. Yeah, okay, chalo, let's understand first this thing. Here, yesterday we discussed the theory, creation of website, virtual machine. What all combinations are required here? Virtual machine, operating system. Virtual machine I take from the Google Cloud. Operating system I take from the Ubuntu. Docker is a tool which I have installed. Nginx is tool which I have installed. Website is my code. I download it from the internet, or you can take from your developer. So with the help of these 5 different things, I can achieve the website. If cloud provider provides me only virtual machine and operating system, I took from the cloud provider virtual machine and operating system. That is, I took the IaaS technology from them, infrastructure as a service. I took from them. Okay. This is the best example for infrastructure as a service. Now, virtual machine plus operating system plus I have installed my own software. If provider will install Docker and Nginx will give to me, then I can say it's a platform as a service. If they will do, if they haven't did, but I install this, so I can say that platform as a service. If you will take this virtual machine from me, means you are taking a platform from me. Okay. If I will give you this virtual machine access, then I am providing this platform to you. You can bring your code and you can use it. That is known as platform as a service. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Everyone? Karthik, at least say yes. Himanshu, at least say. Niaz, at least say something. Ritu, Sai, Shef, Suraj, at least say something. Yes or no?
Yeah,
Okay.
Vikas, it's good.
Cool. Okay. Virtual machine plus operating system plus Docker plus Nginx and my code. If everything is combined and you are directly using that, so then I can say that it's a software as a service. Means you are an end user. If you are directly going into this page and let's assume it's a gaming website or whatever it is, then it's a service for you. You can directly use it. Then it's a software as a service. From the single example, I combine all the 3: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Cool. And cloud providers are also doing the same thing. Infrastructure service also, they are providing it. They are installing some software and they are giving to you. That is known as platform as a service. They are making everything ready-made to you with their code or whatever is the things, and you can use it. That is also a software as a service, like Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all these things. Cool. I hope all these examples are clear. If you will read little bit more theory about it, you will be very clear. Okay, I'm giving some more theory here. Infrastructure service, platform, software as a service, all the theories, some more examples I am giving it. Okay, software as a service, you can directly consume it, you can directly use it. Platform as a service, you can build, you can bring your code and you can build over that. Migrate it. Infrastructure service, it's a migration tool. You can migrate whatever you want to install, you can install it, you can bring your code and you can use it. I took the infrastructure service from the Google Cloud. I installed Docker as well as Nginx, and I provided you the website and you can use it. All good? And these are some more theory I'm giving into the sheet, which you can read it. Little bit helpful for you for more interviews. And if I will take an example, most of the enterprise companies, which cloud they are using it, 68% is already used by AWS, and 15% experiments is happening, and 7% plan to use it. Okay, for the AWS. Azure is also doing a good. This is 2018 data. Okay, I will bring the new data as well. No need to worry. Azure was 58% and 22%. What they are experimenting it. But if you will take an example, Google Cloud was using very less in 2018, but at this point, Google Cloud is before Azure only. Okay, means second number is second number is a Google Cloud at this point. Okay, and 15% experimental or plan to use is more. That's why it has been increased it. Or in future, Google Cloud may be on the top. I think so. Okay, but it will be on the top after 2-3 years. Okay, because the reason is Kubernetes is a native software for the Google Cloud, and Kubernetes is getting very popular nowadays. If anyone want a Kubernetes, they are mostly or primarily going into the Google Cloud. Okay, and I will also teach the Kubernetes into the Google Cloud primarily on all the services from the AWS. So what you can say that in the interview for hybrid cloud, you can say that, sir, we are using AWS for the most of the services because this is the most popular tool, and we are using the Google Cloud from the Kubernetes from the Google Cloud because Kubernetes of Google Cloud is very matured as compared to any of the cloud provider. That's why my architect has decided it, or my company decided that we will use the Kubernetes from the Google Cloud, and you know the Google Cloud as well. So you know AWS as well as you know Google Cloud. In my classroom, we are doing the same thing. Okay. And no need to worry. If you know a little bit about AWS, you know a little bit about Azure also, you know a little bit about Google Cloud as well. Only the names are different. Rest everything is, you can use Lenovo laptop, you can use HP laptop, Sony laptop, any laptop. If you are using Windows, it will be same. If you are using Linux, Ubuntu flavor, everywhere it will be same. Okay, so no need to worry. And whatever the services AWS is providing, same services are provided by Azure also, same services are provided by the Google Cloud as well. So no need to worry that what is the difference. Only the names are the difference, or little bit UI is a different. Okay, and rest everything is very same. And here is the big picture for all the different services, comparison for Azure, Amazon, and Google Cloud. Okay, is that okay till now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. How many students still have a plan to migrate to the Windows 11? How many students are still thinking that let's move to the Windows 11, or your laptop is not supporting Windows 11? How many students are like that?
Yes, I am.
Sign. Okay, cool. Sign, what is the problem? You are thinking or not doing, or your laptop is not supporting?
I'm thinking that Windows 11 is a more user friendly than Windows 10.
You
Yeah.
migrated to Windows 11 already?
No. Present I am using Windows 10 only.
You want to,
planning.
okay, you are planning. Okay, cool. What about others? Guys, let me know, please. If I will understood your problem, then I will give the solution. Lai is telling he's already in Windows 11. Okay, what about others? Only 2 responses, not good. I need some 2 more response.
I am having Mac, but the thing is Windows 11 is similar to Mac. The interface,
correct.
whatever the interface which they have given in Windows 11,
Okay.
it
Cool,
looks
cool.
like same as Mac, the taskbar and whatever.
I agree. Cool. I agree. Yes, I agree. But still, let assume Sai was planning, right? Lot of students are already planning, but they haven't did, right? What they can do, they can think about it by seeing this thing. So this is an emulator for Windows 11, okay, which I would like to run with the help of Docker into my virtual machine only. Okay, my virtual machine is Linux Ubuntu flavor, but with the help of Docker, I will download the Windows 11 React container or emulator. I'm not telling it's a 100% Windows 11. No, it's not a 100% Windows 11, but it's an emulator, means it has been developed into the React language. If you want to see the UI of Windows 11, yes, you can see with the help of this Docker code. Okay, what I'm doing it, I'm writing this command. I'm going into this place. Okay, I just write it here, and I would like to run this on 3000 port. Okay. Earlier I was running on 80 port, my website, and in the same server, in the 3000 port, let me run it. Let me check what is happening in my 3000 port at this point. This is my website IP address already, double quote 3000 port. Okay. And anything is working, guys. You can also check it. Anything is working in 3000 port at this point.
Nothing. Still we
Nothing.
haven't configured it.
Still we haven't configured it, right? It's empty. Okay. Yeah, it's down. Nothing is working. I need one more confirmation from you guys. I already provided you the link. Guys, one more confirmation.
Nothing. It's not working.
It's not working. Cool. I agree. Okay. Chalo, what I can do, I am taking this Windows 11. I am taking this React file. Okay. Windows 11 React file, which has been created by some repository, Blue Edge. Okay. And I would like to run on the 3000 port with the name Windows 11 React, because it has been written into the React language. Okay. Chalo, I'm just running this command. I will explain you this command very briefly into the Docker classes. Practically not possible at this point because I have to teach some more basics of Docker. Then I can teach little bit big commands. Okay. So at this point, I'm going into the website. I'm going into my server. Okay. I'm running this command, and guys, let me know when I have to press enter. As soon as I will press enter in the 3000 port, within 2-3 seconds or within 5-10 seconds, it will work. So you can check, still it is not working.
Yes.
Okay. I'm pressing enter. I press enter. Okay. He's unable to find the images. It is downloading. Okay. It will take some couple of minutes. And here it is telling it's done. You can go and check it. I'm also here. Let me refresh it. Something on Windows, look like Windows 11 emulator is working in my 3000 port. 11 a.m. 4 December. This is my system time, 11 a.m. 4 December. Okay. And some Blue Edge is the username which I was taking it. I'm clicking on sign in. I understood. Okay. It will take, they are telling that it has been developed by this thing. I copy the code, obviously. I click on OK, and my Windows 11 is here. Someone was telling, Himanshu, you are telling already in Windows 11, or Akansha is telling already in Windows 11. How much time it took for you to install or to upgrade or to think and all these things?
It's automatically updated because I'm using company laptop. So
How many hours it restarted and it downloaded, and how much size it downloaded, and how many hours it took? 1 day, half day?
not actually, because I'm using company laptop. So I got update from their side. So it's
Your laptop
automatically.
got restarted, right? 2-3
Yeah,
times.
it's got only 15 minutes, I think.
15 minutes, but here I took 15 seconds.
Okay.
Okay. And what about who is thinking? Someone was there who is thinking from last couple of months, right? I forgot that. Who is that? Guys, but it is easy, right? With the help of Docker, life will be easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yep. Yes, I also agree. Yes, life will be easy with the help of Docker, because only one command can perform the activity for you. Yeah. Okay. That's why Docker is very popular nowadays. And if you want to work into the cloud, you want to work or learn into the technology, you have to learn the Docker as well, because things can be achieved in some couple of seconds only. All good? Digestible till now?
So sorry for interrupt you.
Yep.
So what's the difference between Docker and Kubernetes?
There is a big difference. Docker, with the help of Docker, I can develop this thing. I developed it. Okay. But with the help of Kubernetes, I can manage the thing. Okay. MANAGES. Okay. Because let's assume at this point, 2 containers I am running. Okay. One is my website. Another is this thing. With the help of Docker PS, I can see that 2 things are running at this point. One is Blue Edge Windows 11. One is my practical name, or some 17 minutes ago, I created a website which was running on port 80. Right? 2 things are running. So let's assume like this, if I run 100+ things in the same virtual machine or in the same place, Okay, if let assume I developed 100 plus applications or 100 plus containers, CONTINERS. With the help of Docker, we cannot manage it. So Kubernetes will come into the picture and he will manage all these 100 containers. Got the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, it's clear. Good. You know Netflix, 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 number of CONTINERS. Okay. Half billions of containers are there. They are running. Okay. Do you feel that half millions of container can be managed with the Docker commands? No, right? It's not possible. It's not possible, right? Guys, don't do it. Akansha, please don't do it. Okay. Yeah. So half millions of containers are not possible to achieve or to do this thing with the help of Docker is not possible. So Kubernetes will come into the picture and he will manage all the containers on everyday basis. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why we have to learn Docker for the development purpose or for the creation purpose. Okay, and we have to learn the Kubernetes for the management purpose. If you will see the definition of Kubernetes, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool or container management tool. Okay, got it? All good?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Guys, if you will ask the question, you will learn a lot. And in my real time, I'm very much familiar with Netflix also, how the architecture of Netflix. So in my Kubernetes classes, I'm explaining a Netflix architecture, the real-time Netflix architecture, I'm explaining it. Okay. So that's why I took the example of Netflix only. Okay. Means we will do the case study of Netflix into the Kubernetes classes. Okay, guys, that's it for the cloud computing from my side. If you have any question, you can let me know. Else, I would like to go into the Linux part. I feel you enjoyed it.
Yeah, everything is good.
Okay, means on a high level, understandable. I want to explain this part for the cloud computing to you guys.
Yeah, and one thing, just now you have showed us this Google Cloud, no?
Yep,
I
I
mean,
showed.
creating the container and then connecting.
Creating the virtual machine, not container.
Sorry, not containers.
Yep,
Yeah, creating the instance and then connecting SSH and all.
correct.
But in here, in Google Cloud, it's very easy. It's simple to connect SSH. Yeah, when it
Well,
comes
cloud,
to
see, Google,
AWS, it's-
Raja, Google
yeah,
is very matured than Amazon. Okay, Amazon.
right. That's what
Amazon came 20 years back. That's why people adopt it. Okay.
Yeah,
Google has a logics. He is authenticate with this user directly. No ID, password, nothing is required.
yes. No,
You already logged in with the user, so it's checked everything, and you are into the machine.
yeah, that's what. But when it comes to AWS, we have to do some setup for SSH.
Lot of things.
Like we have to download the PEM file and then generate a public key from the RSA key and all. We
Yes,
have to map it.
Yes,
So
yes.
all these things are required, right?
Correct. Yes, all these things are required. That all things also I will teach in my AWS classes. Okay, because if I'm teaching the AWS, I will teach all these things, right? Like EC2 creation and logging to the Windows instance, EC2 configuration, Apache Nginx web server in the Linux instance. Okay, and you can see plastic public IP, private IP, security group, snapshot, EBS volume, snapshot, AMI, EC2 policies, high availability, AMI overview, vertical, horizontal scaling, and lot of things.
Yeah, all right.
And there will be some yep, okay, all these things I have to explain for the AWS. For Google Cloud, everything is matured. Is
Yes,
Google Cloud more chargeable or AWS more chargeable?
Yeah.
Lenovo laptop is more chargeable or HP laptop is more chargeable? We can't give the answer. It depends which type of configuration you choose it. Okay, it depends on that.
And in Google Cloud, I mean, is there any option such as like same as in AWS SG security groups where we create
Yep.
security groups in AWS?
Yes. The name has been changed from security group to the firewall. Okay. Same concept, but the name is different. That is known as firewall.
Okay.
FIREWAL. Firewall is a legacy name or same name. Okay. Same in the security group. AWS has a security group name and GCP has a firewall rule.
Okay.
Yep, cool. Guys, all okay. Then can you write some feedbacks on my website, please? How exactly it is on the Facebook, LinkedIn, please, and send me the request also, connection request on a LinkedIn, please.
I've
And then
done
yeah. Please write something. Okay, it will be good because very first time I'm doing all these things on my online platform. I never did it. Okay, so you can do it. It will be helpful for me. Okay,
Sure.
you can go to the website, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. At least subscribe my channel also. It will be good